Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all of you find these books of mathematics, Oxford's class 6 new edition second level. We start the chapter number 3rd. Chapter number 3rd is the factors and multiples. First we discuss the definition of factor and multiple, and then we solve the examples and exercise. Student, in page number 33, we are given a definition of factor, a factor that divides an other number. Other number say dividend completely without leaving a remainder is a factor of that number. This is an example of a factor. The factor of a 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Means that 1 is completely divided by 10, 2 also completely divided by 10 without leaving a remainder, and 5 also, and 10 means that 1, 2, 5 and 10 if we completely divide by 10 means that this is a factor of our 10. Also in second example, the factor of a 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is a factor of a 12. This number is completely by 12. Student, in page number 33, second definition is a multiple of a number is number obtained by multiplying that number may be that number by any natural number. Means that if we take a 5, we multiply by natural number 1, 2, 3, 5 is a natural number, we get the answer. This is a multiple. Okay, we'll learn the example. We understand the examples. Find the multiple of a 4 is less than 25. Student, look at here. This is a 4. 1, 2, 3 is a natural number. If we multiply with these, we get the multiple. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. This is and 24. This is a multiple of 4 but less than 25. Okay. And second example, 9 is less 9 multiple of 9 but less than 50. Student, look at here. This is a 9 and multiply with any natural number, we get the answer. Okay, 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. It is a multiple of 9 but less than 50. I hope understand the example of multiple. Now we will do exercise 3a. Fill in the blanks. First part, 135 will be equal to into 12 multiply, there is a blank and there is a blank, but we get the answer and we multiply and then add, it will become is 135. Simple. If we divide this 12, it divided by 135. Quotient we write here and remainder write in addition side. It complete statement. Student, look at here. 12 divided by 135, 12 ones are 12, we write here, we subtract this value, answer is a 1, 5 right here. 12 right again, 12 ones are 12, we write here, we subtract this value, answer is a 3. 3 is a less, so this 12 multiply by 11 and get the any answer plus add 3, it will become is 35. Okay, I hope first part understand. Second is a 219. We divided by 23. Quotient write in multiply side and remainder side write in plus side. Third part, 487. If we divided by 37, get the answer. Remainder write here multiply side and remainder write in addition side. Quotient write in multiply side and remainder write in plus side. Second, state whether the following are true or false. First part, every natural number is a multiple of itself. Yes, every natural number. 2, 3 is multiple of itself. So its statement is a true. 1 is a factor of every natural number. Yes, this statement also true. Multiple of 12 are all multiple of 9. No, in multiple of 9 not come in 12. So its statement is false. Multiple of 8 are all multiple of both 2 and 8. Yes, in multiple of 2 come 8 and in multiple 4 come 8. This statement is a true. Write the first 5 multiples of what we have do in this question. Means that we learn the table of 17 in 5 time. Sorry, 5 time nahi. First 5 number 23 and also 47. First part is a student, look at here. This is a 17. We write here solution. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, and 75s are 85. First 5 multiple of our 17. I hope remaining parts as it is follow by this method. Question number 4 is list the multiple of 7 between 10 and 40. Means that we read the table of 7 but between 10 and 40. Not come is 10 and 40. Student, look at here. Solution. Multiple of 7 between 10 and 40 is as 14. Not is 7 because this come less than 10. So we write in between 10 and 40. 14, 21, 28 and 35. It is the multiple of 7 between 10 and 40. Question number 5. List the multiple of 11 less than 50. So write here solution. Multiple of 11 less than 50 is 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. It is less than 50. If we multiply by 5, it will become greater than 50. So right here is in 44. Okay. Question number 6 as it is follow this question number 4 and 5. Question number 7. Without actual division, state whether each of the following number is divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 11. We check this. If we answer come in simple, if it's multiple of 3 means that divisible by 3. If we multiple of 5 means that this is divisible by 5. Simple, we check this. And it is a multiple of 2? No, this is a 5. It is not multiple of this number. And this is a 5 means that this is a divisible 3 and 5. So also it is a multiple of 3. So also divisible 5. And this is a 11. Last number is a 5. It's mean not divisible by 11. As it is remaining part follow this. Question number is given the multiple of the following. First part 21 is multiple between 100 and 200. Means that we write the table of 21, multiple of 21, but the answer come in between these values. Okay, it is a 8. First part 21 multiplied by 5, answer is 105. We multiply by 6, answer is a 126. We multiply by 7, answer is a 147. We multiply by 8, answer is 168. And we multiply by 9, answer is 189. So 21 multiple of 21 between 100 and 200 is 105, 126, 147, 168 and 189. This number between 100 and 200. Okay. Question number 9. State which of the following number is divisible by 11. It is impossible. We divide this number and we say this it is divisible by 11. Okay, but it is a easy method. We check this number and we say this is divisible by 11. The difference between the sum of alternative digits of a number is 0. Means that we sum alternative number and then we subtract, answer it will become is 0. Say or a multiple of 11. Say that it is divisible by 11. Okay. So if we follow this rule, we easily solve the question number 9. Student, look at here. We check this statement and which of the following number is divisible 5. We follow the rules. 1 plus 6 minus 6 plus 1. We interchange the number. 6 plus 1 7, 7 minus 7, answer is 0. Means that this 11 is divisible by this number. Divisible by this number. Also follow this method and solve by remaining parts. Question number 10. Given the example of number which is first part divisible by 7 but not divisible by 14. Which number is 21. If we divided by 7, it is a completely divide. If we divide the 14, is not completely divide. Come answer is a fraction form. Okay, divisible by 5 but not divisible 15. Which number is a 20? It is a completely divided 20 and other number is a 25. Depend on you what do right here. I also write here 20. It is a divisible 5. It is a completely divisible 5. If we divide is 15, not is completely divide, answer come in fraction form. Third part is a divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. Which number is a 9? It is a completely divided by 9 but not divided by 6. Okay. For question number 11, test whether 6 is divisor of this number. We test this, follow these rules. Also method in question number 9. Student, question number 11 test whether the 6 is a divisible of this number 504. We check the last number. Last number is an even number. So then we add this number. 5 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 9. If is a multiple of 3. So say that 6 is divisible 504. So right here 4 is even number. So add this number 5 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. So say that 6 is divisor of a 504. Also second part 306. We check last number is a even number. So we add this value. It answer is a 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So say that 6 is a divisor of 306. Question number 12. Test whether 9 is a divisor of this number. Student, what we have to, if we depend on you, we divide. No, divide is lengthy method. It is a simple and easy method. So follow this. We write here solution. 2 plus 0 plus 7. Answer will be equal to 9. You know that 9 is multiple also of 9. So say that 9 is divisor of 207. Second part 4050. We add this number. Answer is a 9. 9 is multiple of a 9 also. So say that 9 is divisor of 9. Okay. I hope all of you clear this exercise 3A. Now we start the